Sending money overseas just got easier with CIBC Global Money Transfer. And here's exactly how to do it. First, log into your CIBC online banking or the CIBC mobile banking app. Look for the Send Money or Global Money Transfer option and select it. You'll be prompted to choose Send Money Internationally. Now, let's input the recipient's details. You'll need their full legal name, address, and country. Crucially, you'll also need their bank information, the bank's name, their account number, and the SWIFT or BIC code for their bank. Double-check this information for accuracy to avoid delays. Next, you'll select the currency you want to send and the currency your recipient will receive. CIBC will clearly display the current exchange rate and any applicable transfer fees before you confirm. Take a moment to review these details. Once all the details are entered and you've reviewed the exchange rate and fees, you'll be asked to confirm the transfer. This is your final chance to ensure everything is correct. After confirmation, you'll receive a confirmation screen and often an email with your transfer details. Many transfers come with a tracking number or reference ID, allowing you to monitor its progress in real time through your online banking portal or the CIBC app. It's that simple to make secure and efficient international payments with CIBC Global Money Transfer.